Japan is one of the best countries for international students in 2026. Students choose Japan for quality education, part-time work opportunities, and a safe lifestyle. In this video, I will explain the Japan student visa process in a simple and quick way. Japan offers modern education and excellent career opportunities for international students. Many universities and language schools are now accepting international applications for 2026. To apply for a Japan student visa, you first need admission from a Japanese university or language school. After admission, the school will help you apply for the Certificate of Eligibility, also called COE. The main documents required are passport, admission letter, COE, academic certificates, bank statement, and visa application form. Make sure all documents are genuine and complete. The COE is one of the most important documents for Japan student visas. Your school applies for it in Japan. After approval, they send it to you for visa processing. Usually, the COE process takes 1 to 3 months. After receiving your COE, submit your documents to the Japanese embassy or visa center. Visa processing usually takes around 5 to 15 working days. Some applicants may also face a short interview. International students in Japan can work part-time up to 28 hours per week after receiving work permission. This helps students manage their living expenses. To increase your visa approval chance, show strong financial proof, give correct information, and prepare a clear study plan. Avoid fake documents or incorrect details. Japan can be a great destination for your future studies and career. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Visa Experts AIM, and turn on notifications for more visa updates. Thanks for watching.